Hey everyone, this is Mousumi and welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another makeup video of mine. Today's makeup look is going to be a very special one because today I will be sharing a list of some amazing makeup products যেটা কিনা beginners দের জন্য একটা ভালো guidance হয়ে যাবে, plus আমি সেই products গুলোর review ও share করব, and most importantly all those makeup products are available at the craziest discounted prices on Amazon because Amazon এ চলছে the biggest ever sale, Prime Day sale, which is happening on 23rd and 24th of July. So let's get started quickly. So I will start with this primer from Sugar Cosmetics. Actually Sugar Cosmetics has multiple varieties of primers, but this particular one during that summer and monsoon season is my favorite, বিশেষ করে দিনের বেলাতে, because when you apply it, this primer gives you an instant hydrating and soothing effect to your skin as if you're applying the water on your skin. So yeah, it's very lightweight also, and at the same time it blurs out the pores. তো বেশ একটা ঠান্ডা ঠান্ডা ফিল দেয় আর sweatingটাও অনেক কম করে। Next আসবো ফাউন্ডেশনে। For the foundation also I have chosen that Rich for Coverage foundation from Sugar Cosmetics. By the way, the product links with the shade details are given below in the description box from where you can check out other products as well, কারণ ফ্যাশন এবং বিউটি দুটোর উপরেই সেলটা চলছে অ্যামাজনে আর up to 70% ডিসকাউন্ট আছে most of the products. So this foundation gives a matte finished look with a decent coverage. If you have sweating problem and oily skin, then this one is perfect for you. একটু দামটা বেশি হলেও ডিসকাউন্টেড প্রাইসে যেহেতু তুমি এখন পেয়ে যাচ্ছ অ্যামাজনে, সো নট টু ওয়ারি। টেক্সচারটাও একটু হেভি, সো ওয়েডিং সিজনের জন্য একদমই পারফেক্ট। প্লাস ইফ ইউ হ্যাভ ডার্ক স্পটস অর পিগমেন্টেশন, ইউ ডোন্ট নিড এনি আদার লাইক color correction or concealing. Next, to highlight my face, I will be using the concealer from Miss Clear. Now here is the story. I love bright under eyes and my actual shade from that range is 08, but unfortunately I have applied the wrong shade this time. Yeah, ভুল করে অন্য শেডের কনসিলার পটটা তুলে নিয়েছি, most probably it's the shade number 10, and when to blend the product I realized that this shade is too way lighter than my skin tone. So what to do? Jai hope. If I talk about the concealer, this concealer is in a creamy texture and it gives a really decent coverage to your skin. It's at this budget, I would say that concealer is a must buy, especially when you are a beginner or you are like just a teenager. I think that concealer is a pocket friendly one and also gives a decent coverage to your skin. And yeah, I'm feeling like crying after seeing my face, but I won't apply any other concealer on top of it because I don't like layering ups. So I will try to like manage it with other makeup products. In the next step, what I will do is I will be applying the trim contour using a darker shade of concealer than my skin tone from Makeup Revolution. And I think there is nothing much to talk about that concealer, as I think most of you guys know how amazing that particular concealer is. It's super blendable and true to its shade. I mean, whatever you will order online, you will receive the exact shade, and also all the shades are perfect for the Indian skin tone. It's thick in consistency, so খুব কমও লাগে, plus blending এও কোনো প্রবলেম করে না। Now I will be applying a cream blush from Eva Cosmetics. I think whoever follow me on my Instagram know that Eva Cosmetics is one of my favorite makeup brands. Especially these lip and cheek tints, they are in creamy texture, খুব সহজে blend হয় আর long lasting ও, and especially when you will apply it on your lips, সারা দিনের জন্য একদম তোমাকে dry feel করাবে না আর moisturized ও রাখে লিপসটাকে অনেকক্ষণের জন্য। Next, to set my concealer, I will be using this translucent powder from Mars Cosmetics. This is also my recent favorite because at this budget friendly price, I think these products are so good in quality that you don't need the high-end products anymore. It like stops your concealer from creasing and sets the base really well. Now for the powder contour and the powder blush, I will be using this face palette from Sugar Cosmetics. This is like the budget friendly, pocket friendly, pigmented in color, blends smoothly, what not. The highlighter is also very good, no chunks are there. So on top of my cream products, just powder products guloke buliye jabo. And for the highlighter, I could use this one, but I wanted to recommend you guys something else. So yeah, let's see. So yeah, I wanted to recommend this highlighter to you guys also. This is from Maybelline. This one is my all-time favorite, and I think you guys know why. This is so subtle, and also there is no chunk. It gives a skin-like finish on your skin, and you can blend it on your skin like so smoothly that it's like the buttery one. And now to set my base products, I will be using that setting spray from Glam 21. And since I have started using that, whenever I go out, I apply that setting spray only. And after doing my eyebrows off camera, I will be starting my eye makeup. And yay! I have bought a new eyeshadow palette from Amazon this time, and I'm super excited. And oh god, excitement is chote porei jacchilo. See, so many colors in one palette, guys. আর জাস্ট প্রাইসটা চেক করো, লিংক থেকে দেখবে আরও লোভনীয় লাগবে এই আইশ্যাডো প্যালেটটা দেখতে। Oh my god. And I'm so sorry that it got out of focus. Jai hope, taking that baby pink shade, I will be applying it in my crease areas first, and will be blending it, taking my time, very light-handedly. And I must say the color is as it is, seriously pigmented enough and blends really smoothly. এক জায়গায় আটকে থাকছে না, really beyond my imagination, guys. And after that, taking this light purple shade, I will intensify my crease more and will be placing it at the outer C of my upper eyelid as well. And seriously, none of these colors are difficult to blend, so I will gradually just build up the color and will intensify my crease areas more and more. And in the next step, using the concealer, I will create a half cut crease on my upper eyelid. And for cutting that crease, I'm using that flat brush from Plume. The brush details also I will give in the description box, so you guys can check it out. Once it's done, I will blend the edges using that same eyeshadow. And for the half cut crease, I will be applying that pink shimmery eyeshadow from that palette on my half cut crease. And it's so beautiful in color. You guys have no idea, it's not that much visible on camera, but it's really very soft and subtle in color. And yeah, I love that eyeshadow palette, seriously. Now I will create a half-winged eyeliner using this eyeliner pen from Inside Cosmetics. It's very easy to hold, so eyeliner application অনেকটা easy হয়ে যায়, plus it gives a matte finished pigmented color and it doesn't come off while applying, so it's a 10 on 10 eyeliner pen. For the lower eyelid, I have applied that same light purple eyeshadow and using that pencil brush, and yeah, that's it. And for the waterline, I will be applying that white kajal from Wet n Wild, and yeah, that's it for the eye makeup. As you guys know, I don't apply the falsies nowadays. I don't like applying it, I seriously don't know why. So for the eyelashes, I will be applying that mascara from Maybelline, and that mascara is really good. It's budget friendly and also it's long lasting, and yeah, it volumizes your lashes a lot. For the lips, I will be using this lipstick from Wet n Wild, and প্রথমেই বলি অ্যাপ্লিকেটরটা ভেঙে ফেলেছি, so pardon me please. And this is a liquid lipstick, but it has a creamy texture, so it doesn't make you feel dry even for a longer period of time. সো এই ডিপ শেডটা দিয়ে আউটলাইন করে নিয়ে আমি মিডিলের যে গ্যাপটুকু আছে সেটাকে একটা নিউড কালার, ফ্লাওয়ার বিউটির এই নিউড কালারটা দিয়ে ফিল ইন করে দেবো। So how was that makeup look, guys, and which product is in your makeup kit now from today's list, and which one you need to buy? Let me know that, and also let me know if this video was helpful for you guys, and don't forget to check out the Prime Day sale on Amazon. And ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে লাইক শেয়ার করতে ভুলো না, আর কেউ যদি নতুন এসে থাকো আমার চ্যানেলে আজকে প্রথম, প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দিও আর বেল আইকনটাকেও ক্লিক করে দিও যাতে তোমরা নোটিফিকেশনসটা পেয়ে যাও সবার প্রথমে আমি কোনো ভিডিও আপলোড করলে। So see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.